Hey guys, Kristie here. I'm bringing you one amazing deal from Dollar General. So let's go save lots of money, guys. In this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step directions on how to coupon, how to use your app, all kinds of fun stuff, where to find products, what to do if you can't. Alrighty, first up, we're going to head on over to the laundry department, and you're going to be looking for your Gain liquid laundry detergent or pods that are $7.50. Pop open your app, hit the little scan button in the corner, scan the barcode. You are then going to see the product description. In this one, we're getting the 65-ounce liquid laundry detergent. You want to then scroll down. For this deal, you're going to need the ones that are $7.50 and have the following digitals that attach. You need the $2.50, the 5 off 20, the 3 off 15 back to school, the $2 Gain, and the $2 Gain. Get 3 of these. Okay, and all the rest of the items we're going to get for this deal I pulled right off of my website, kristiesconnections.com, under Dollar General deals, and then select freebies and fillers. So the first item we are getting are the Glade plug-in kits. This is the warmer with the oil. They are $3.50. Again, anytime you coupon, use your app, find the item, scan it, scan the barcode. And even though I write these deals, I still do this with every single product when I coupon, just to make sure. So you're going to scan down, you're going to make sure you see that $2.50 digital. So grab one of those. Okay, the next 2 items that we are looking for are both in the travel and trial section. First up, you need your secret Outlast deodorant. It is a travel size. You need 3 of them. And in addition to that, you need 1 of the travel size Crest Scope mouthwash at $1. Like I said, these are going to be in your travel and trial section. Fortunately, my store is loaded with them. So, just like you're seeing here, you need 3 of the Secret Outlast. And then 1 of the Scope mouthwash. And next deal that we're going to be looking for is the Febreze car vent clips, 1 count. These are anywhere from $3 to $3.25 depending on your store, and we have a $2.30 digital. Now, if you cannot find these with your regular Febreze products, look in the car section. That's where I found these, in the automotive section. So, just a little hint, check there, as well as on clip strips around the cleaning aisle. And grab 1 of those. And the next item we're looking for is the Crest Toothpaste. This is the Crest Pro Health. It is 3.3 ounces. We have 2 different digitals we will be using for this. One is the $2 off 1, and the other is the $3 off of 2. These are $1 each, so that creates $2 total overage when you buy 3. Alrighty, in my store, I found these in the Dollar Days aisle, or Dollar Deals, or also known as Value Valley. And they are $1 a piece. And again, they are the 3.3 ounces. So check your dollar aisle for them, as well as your regular toothpaste section. Okay, and the last thing you're going to grab is the Febreze Small Spaces. These are $3.25, and we have an awesome $2.30 digital. This is the 1 count. Make sure you're getting the 1 count small spaces. Alrighty, friends, and let's have a look at the cart. This is everything that we purchased in this. We've got the 3 Gain at $7.50 a piece. We've got the 3 Secret Outlast, the 1 small spaces, the 1 Febreze vent clip, the miniature size scope, and 3 of the 3.3 ounce Crest. Alrighty, and the fun part, let's look at the receipt. Alright, after all the digitals came off, my total was $10.95 for all that stuff. My total savings was $29.60, which is absolutely incredible. Let's talk about if you cannot find everything that I found in this video real quick. Alright, gang, first off, you want to do this deal at a regular register. Do not do this at self-checkout. Your overage more than likely will not come off. Secondly, the main reason I started this deal was to try the 3 $7.50 Gain. and to see if that worked with the 5 off 20 and the 3 off 15 back to school digital, and it does. A lot of you have asked, and I wanted to confirm that. They do work together. They do come off together. So if you just wanted to get the 3 Gain products with the coupons that I showed to clip, the 5 off 20 Gain, the 3 off 15 back to school, the $2.50, the $2, and the $2, you will pay only $8 for those 3. So that will make your total $8 for 3 Gain products that are $7.50 each. So that deal alone is wonderful. Everything else I added to this deal was just because they were overage or just bonus items that I wanted to add to my scenario, but they are not necessary to do the deal. You can, like I said, just do that very beginning clip that I showed you on the Gain 65 ounces. Grab 3 of them. Make sure you have those digitals clip. Head to the register. You should be paying $8 plus tax. Now, if you can find all these items that I got in this deal on Saturday and do this on Saturday instead of $10.95, your total would be only $5.95, which is much better. So that's all I have for you in this one, guys. Hope that helped you. Please remember, anytime you coupon, scan every single product to make sure that if you've gotten a different scent or whatever, it still attaches to the intended coupons, and it's a good way to double check that you have them clipped. Give me a thumbs up on your way out, gang, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.